In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Zerion app icon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your home screen looks the way you want, and you'll also understand a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. First, open Zerion on your device. You'll want to be on the main screen of the app where you normally view your portfolio and activity. This ensures all the standard navigation options are visible and easy to reach. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to be on the latest version so the appearance options are available and up to date. Next, head to Settings. Look toward the top right of the screen for the gear icon. That's the quickest path to all personalization controls. Tapping it brings you into the app's control center where Zerion groups preferences related to your account, notifications, and display. Inside Settings, find Appearance. This is the section dedicated to how Zerion looks and feels. It's where you control visual choices that don't affect your data, only how it's presented. Going into Appearance keeps things simple by putting themes and icons in one place so you don't have to hunt through multiple menus. Now, choose your theme. You'll typically see options like light, dark, or following your device's system setting. Light mode keeps things bright and high contrast in well-lit environments, while dark mode is easier on the eyes in low light and can help conserve battery on OLED screens. If you prefer your apps to match your phone automatically, selecting the system option will make Zerion switch themes as your device changes from day to night. Pick the one that matches your comfort and environment best. With your theme set, it's time to choose the app icon. In the same appearance area, you'll see a row or grid of icons designed to complement your chosen theme and your home screen style. Browse the available designs, then tap the icon you like. Zerion applies the change immediately, so the new look should show on your home screen the next time you glance at it. If you're on a platform that briefly asks for permission to update the icon, simply confirm. This is a normal part of changing app icons. That's all there is to it. Open Zerion, go to Settings, select Appearance, pick a theme, and then tap the app icon you prefer. If the new icon doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and you'll see your selection take effect. Enjoy the refreshed look and make Zerion feel uniquely yours.